Hey, we are live. I am here with the gorgeous Meghan Southwell. So Megan's one of our students, and anytime our students are doing something just freaking awesome, I want to bring them to you because Meghan is brilliant at affiliate marketing. So Meghan, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, of course. So my name is Meghan Southwell. I am an affiliate marketing coach for business owners and entrepreneurs. I help them monetize their passion by becoming affiliates within their own niche.
Very, very cool. So how did you get started in what you're doing?
Yeah, so I actually started a food blog a couple years back, and I was trying to figure out how the heck do I monetize this thing?
Yeah.
And I found that affiliate marketing was the easiest and fastest way to do that at the time, and still is today with that blog. And I fell in love with it. I fell in love with affiliate marketing and how easy it is to use, how versatile it is. And I just knew that I had to share it with others.
Amazing. I love it. And just so you guys know, affiliate marketing is something we do in our business, and it provides a couple $1,000s per month of additional revenue stream. So and if you haven't watched my other Facebook Live where I talked about creating additional revenue streams, go do that. I did that a few days ago. But it's so important that you have more than one income stream. And that's what affiliate marketing can really do for you. So why do you think affiliate marketing is so important for business owners?
Yeah, so going off of what you just said, so a lot of people have told me that they think they can only be successful at affiliate marketing if they have, a blog about blogging or coaching or something along those lines. And that could not be farther from the truth. You can use affiliate marketing for any niche. And there's a lot of entrepreneurs and bloggers out there that don't take advantage of affiliate marketing. And it's so important to have multiple streams of income, and using affiliate marketing as one of those sources is so important in the online world. There's a lot of people who don't utilize it or utilize it in the wrong way. And you never know when your main source of income could come crashing down to a screeching halt, and then you're stuck with what? So I highly encourage all my clients to use affiliate marketing. If they don't have any source of income yet, just start with that and build off that, because it's a great way to start monetizing your business. You want to have a backup plan and have multiple streams of income.
You have to. I was actually talking, one of our, two actually, of our next students in our next round of Activate, they're chiropractors. And they wanted to bring it to the online space just because they're trading time for money right now. You can only take on so many clients, and it's so easy to get burnt out, especially in that space. So I was talking to them and helping them transition into creating an online course. But as we're talking about other revenue streams, I'm like, okay, this would be a great place to start, but what could we be an affiliate for? So that's something that I think it's really underutilized, and it's so easy. Like, it's the easiest way that we make money. Like, this is completely passive income for us at this point. This isn't something that we're like doing really. Okay, what are some mistakes you see people making when it comes to affiliate marketing?
Oh gosh, definitely not knowing how to properly promote affiliate marketing. I see so many people online being way too pushy with their affiliate links, not disclosing a link that's an affiliate link when they're posting it. Whether someone's asking, what hosting should I use or something like that. You always want to disclose when you're posting an affiliate link, or you could get in major trouble for that. Another big one I see is that a lot of people think, Amazon's a great affiliate program. Let me just start with that and I'll make $1 million with Amazon affiliates. I have a love-hate relationship with Amazon. I actually don't use it that much because it's not a huge moneymaker. You get sent
like 5% or something like that. It's ridiculous.
It's a ridiculous amount. It's so low compared to other methods or options that you can have for affiliate programs. There's so many other high-paying affiliates out there that it's better to put your energy into other affiliate programs that are geared towards your niche than to use Amazon. Even though, Amazon's great, but I always tell my clients, go towards your niche and do it that way.
Yes, for sure. So where can someone go to learn more about affiliate marketing?
Yeah, so you can go to megansouthwell.com, and I'm actually hosting a free 4-day affiliate marketing challenge. It starts July 15th. on Monday. We'll be going over how to promote your affiliates, how to create some accounts with some networks, how to find high-paying affiliates within your own niche. And we're going to be taking some massive action steps in that challenge to help get you going with your niche.
Cool. So where can we sign up to learn more?
So megansouthwell.com/clicks to cash. So, and I think I have a link somewhere I can share with you if you don't have it.
Yeah, you can just go on the video and then comment on the video.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, make sure you sign up. It starts July 15th. You don't want to miss it.
I love that you're doing that because this is, it's such an untapped opportunity for so many people, especially in my audience, that I'm just gonna send them your way because you are the master at this. So you need to learn more about affiliate marketing, creating another income stream. So go sign up for the challenge and learn.
Yeah, we're gonna have some major prizes too.
Sweet. All right, too bad I'll be in France. Otherwise I'd be like all in doing it with you. But that's okay. Everyone else that is not gonna be in France with me, go sign up. And anything else you want to add?
I'm loving the summer weather finally.
It's so hot in Orlando. Oh my God.
It's hot here too in Michigan.
Yeah, it's like so. I'm hiding in the air conditioning. I'm just grateful there's air conditioning because in France it's like 100 degrees and there's no AC there. I'd be like dying.
Yes, we don't have ours on yet. Hopefully soon.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for jumping on with me. And yeah, everyone go sign up for the challenge and have an amazing day.
Thanks.